Miza here. It is 2021, a new year. Yes, Happy New Year, guys. 2020 has passed by so fast. A lot of things has happened, and hopefully everyone has been staying safe. But it's a new year, 2021. New resolution. I actually have some news for you guys. First news is actually today happens to be our last episode of our cooking show. Sad. But actually, it's our last episode of first season. We are going to come back with the second season with better content, maybe a newer setting, a new friend, and of course, more recipes. So I'm going to cook nasi carrot, ayam masak tomato chicken, and also some salad as a side dish. Okay, so today we are going to use a lot of colorful ingredients. All natural, colorful ingredients. So let's go. What do we need? Okay, so we are going to prepare the rice first. We're going to stir fry some herbs and spices. I'm using brown rice. It's actually mixed. And here also I'm actually using brown rice, not only for the color but also like for additional fiber, because we know out there how many of you eat enough fibers. So this is one way to actually incorporate fiber in our diet. So yeah. But more commonly, like if nasi carrot, they use beras basmati. So actually in terms of the carbohydrate wise, to be honest, it's actually the same amount, but it's just the fiber content is actually different. So this thing is bigger than me. So then we're gonna add in our water to cook the rice. Just to add in some creaminess to the rice. Okay, while waiting for the rice to cook, we're going to cook our chicken next. For our chicken, we will need our blender. Okay, so we have blended the tomatoes and all, so we're going to straight away cook this on the stove. Okay, so our rice is still cooking. The chicken has cooked. Now we are going to prepare our salad. Okay, so so we have cut up our vegetables. Now we are going to prepare the dressing. Okay, so we are now going to mix the dressing together with the salad. Okay, so we continue with our rice and chicken, and lastly the salad. Okay guys, so our nasi carrot is done with our tomato chicken and a bit of salad, our coleslaw. Okay, so see the color is very nice. We have a bit of purple, yellow, yes, tinted with purple but still yellow, green, orange, brown. So all these colors, they are not only appetizing but they actually indicate their nutrients, the anthocyanins or the beta-carotene. So these nutrients is actually good for you, really good. Aside from, of course, their fiber content. So why not start your new year 2021 with a bit colorful in your meal? So why not give this a try? Stay tuned for our next season. Thank you so much for tuning in. See you soon. Bye bye.